Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are making Zobo drink, Nigerian Zobo drink, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. I have here some Zobo leaves, some frozen pineapple peel. I'm using 2 oranges and some ginger, cinnamon stick. I'm using this as a sweetener, pineapple and the Coca-Cola flavor, and some turmeric roots. I'll also be adding some cloves to it. I've gone ahead to wash all the ingredients and cut the ones that need cutting, slice, everything. You can see the orange, the ginger, and the turmeric, the cinnamon. Everything is well cleaned, washed, and prepared. So the next thing we're going to do now is to start putting them into the pot for cooking. After adding all the ingredients and stirring everything together, we will now cover and allow it to cook in a low heat. This has been boiling on low heat now for about 20 minutes, so it is now time to put off the gas. And I will also add the sweetener now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon each of the pineapple flavor and the cola flavor. I'll stir and then cover it and allow it to cool down completely. When it cools down completely, I'll now sieve it out into a bowl before pouring it in a jar, and then it will be time to serve it. Yay! The sweetener I added is optional. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use sugar. You can decide to use honey also. I have a video of the Zobo drink also where I did not use any sweetener or sugar. You can also check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out. I will cover and allow it here to cool down completely for about 5 hours. And this even tastes more delicious because by then all the ingredients will even infuse more into it. And then I'll pour it out, sieve it out with my sieve into a bigger bowl like this before pouring it into a jar. You can take this drink warm or serve it with some ice cubes. It's even more delicious and refreshing that way. You can also put it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool down before drinking. Did I tell you that this drink is very healthy? Yes, it is very, very healthy and helps in building our immune system. It's also called sorrel drink or hibiscus drink. You can enjoy this drink any time of the day. I love the drink. I love the color. The color alone is beautiful. So delicious and refreshing. I also store them in a plastic bottles like this and refrigerate or put in the freezer if it is going to stay more than 1 week. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to share this video. And if you're a new subscriber, you are highly welcomed. If you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Thank you all. May God bless you. Bye bye.